Hey, what's going on, y'all? So here today, I just got my new Tsmine RinseWise mops to separate the clean water from the dirty water. Straight game changer. I'm about to share with you exactly when you order your RinseWise mop from Amazon, exactly what you're gonna get. So this is how the box it comes with right here. And we're gonna open the box. Be careful with the knife, how you do. All right? Make sure you don't damage your mop inside. Woo! Let's get it, all right? Put the knife here to the side. So here, you got your original mop handle. You got your Tsmine RinseWise directions. Guess you got here is you got your both handles in here, carrying your mop. And here we're gonna pull this out. Ooh, looks sexy. You got your Tsmine RinseWise mop. So this mop right here is gonna separate your clean water from the dirty water. Everybody's been asking for it and it's finally here. You got 3 mop heads. You got your mop handle right here for your cylinder head. I'm gonna put this to the side and here we go. Now we're about to set this up, put some water in it and show you exactly how this works. Mop head stuck. All right. Here we go. So this right here, this is your Tsmine RinseWise mop. This is what it comes with exactly. It's your 4-chamber system which separates your clean water from the dirty water. Guys, this is gonna change the game. We all been cleaning floors for the last centuries of hundreds of years. No more mopping up, no more contaminating the same water, same dirt that you clean up from the floor, contaminating the floors all over again. Here we're gonna show you exactly how it works. So stay tuned for your next video. I'm gonna put this bad boy together. We're gonna show you what it can do. Let's go. Hey y'all, so we back here again with the Tsmine RinseWise mop. You saw my last video. I show you exactly what comes in the box, in the open box. Now I'm gonna show you how to assemble your mop. Now the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your handles in. Be very careful that you don't put your handles in like this, okay? You want your handles to be facing each other because they got a locking mechanism that they all go with each other. So make sure that when you set it up, you got these dividend parts facing each other on it and not facing the back way. All right, and once you assemble this and you put this on, it is not recommended to take off again. Now, in the side here, it's gonna have 2 little side joints that you're gonna put them in, don't squeeze it in yet, find the working point, and then you're gonna, right, snap it in, same thing. Like I said, snap it in. It's made to not move so you can carry your mop and your mop will not fall. So when it's lifted with water, it's not gonna drop on you. That's why they make it so secure. So the same thing we're gonna do to the other side. We're gonna put them in motion, put them on the side, and we're gonna snap it in. And the same way here, snap it in. Now you got your locking mechanism for your mop, so when you gotta carry it somewhere, all right? Part is done, all right? That's just the beginning. Now, here we go. We're gonna assemble your mop handle. You're gonna take your mop handle, you're gonna open it out the bag, all right? This is very simple, very easy. This mop is one of the sexiest mop I've seen. It just feels sturdy, it feels tight. Does not feel like these flimsy mops that they sell out there. So, grab your mop handle, grab the middle piece here, and it's just gonna intertwine and you're gonna lock it. All right? Same thing here. You're gonna drop it, you're gonna mop it. Now you got your spinning mechanism here. So I like to bring it up, lock your mop. Then we got, here we go. You got your mop handle disc for your mop head here. You're gonna take it out. You're gonna lock it up in, unswivel this. You're gonna drop it. Once you drop it, you're gonna take your mop head, your mop handle head, and you're gonna put it right in here. Secure it down, grip it, and then bring this part up. Bring it up, you're gonna tighten on it. And here, now you got your mop. Man, fully assembled. See that? All right, awesome. I'm so excited for this. We've been waiting a long time for it. Now I'm gonna show you how to put your mop handle on and how to take your mop head off. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take it off, make sure all the strings, all the heads are out, and then you're gonna drop it. Once you drop it, you're gonna take your mop head down, you're gonna put it right there, and until you hear that snap, hear that? Done. Your mop head is ready to go and even stands up on its own. Guys, this is it. Your mop, your RinseWise spin mop is fully assembled and ready to get to work. Y'all looking at the mop and saying, hey, but that's a big bucket. How am I gonna transfer it? How am I gonna move it around the house? Check that out. It comes with wheels. We thought about it all. You don't have to carry it. You can grab your mop and you can put it in here and you can just glide your mop wherever you're going. Total game changer, guys. Wait till you see my next video. I'm gonna show you exactly how this works and how this is gonna change your life and everybody else around you. Let's go. This is how you do it. This is how you set up. Next step is we're gonna add a clean water. We're gonna add a solution. We're gonna show you how this bad boy works. Stay tuned on our next video. We're about to get to work and show you some magic. Let's go. I'm about to show you right now exactly when your mop head is dirty and you want to put it in the washer. I'm gonna show you exactly how to pop it off without having to touch your hands. This is made very easy. You're gonna make sure that the screw side, open side, is to the side of your foot. You're gonna step on the mop head, and you're gonna pop it right off. There you take your mop head off, you put it in the washer. When you take it out the washer, don't put it in the dryer. You're gonna put it right in the ringer there. You're gonna dry as you want. Like I said, and when you're ready to put it back on, all you gotta do is make sure you line it up. And when you hear that snap, your mop head's ready to go. Come on, y'all can't see it. Now the next thing too, don't be scared to grab your mop head, to grab your mop stick. And a lot of people, they get in the mop, they doing this to mop the floor. No. This has a swivel on it. You're gonna step on the side and you can swivel it down so that you can reach all the places that you need. This is made for this. This is not for you to grab the mop, same thing. You could do it with strength. You don't gotta step on it if you want, but a lot of people get the mop and they're scared to actually snap it. The reason why this is tight and the reason why it's secure is so that you can do this. If you got a phone call, something going on, your mop is staying right there while you go handle your stuff. When you come back, you ready to go all over again. All right, game changer, guys. I'm about to show y'all something really magical. So again, when you're ready to take the mop head off, you're gonna pop it right off. You're gonna do what you gotta do. Whenever you're ready, you're gonna snap it back on. That's it. You hear that noise, you know you're ready to go. I know you guys liked it. Stay tuned for the next magic. My next video is gonna be straight up showing you exactly how this separates the clean water, dirty water. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So here I got your RinseWise mop. I'm about to show you exactly the right amount of water specs that your bucket can hold. It holds a little bit over 2 gallons of water. Now you have 2 chambers. You have one here, one here. First we're gonna do, we're gonna lift this one up here and we're gonna fill it up on this side here. You make sure it's a little bit more than halfway through. You're gonna stop it. And then when you put it in, make sure that you put this side in first, right? When that snaps in, again, then you can just drop your handle in. Now you got for the reservoir water, because this is the water you're gonna use for your mopping, and you have your reservoir in here, which I'll show you real cool exactly how it works and how it's always you're gonna have clean water in your bucket system here. So you're gonna grab your bucket here, you're gonna turn your water on, and she wrote, all you gotta do is fill it up to the right specs, whichever one you want, depending how much are you mopping. Here we go, guys. All right, and we're all set. Now we're all ready to go and show you exactly how this bad boy works. We're gonna take you out to the living room right now and show you how this separates the clean water from the dirty water. Let's go, guys, stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So now we're ready for the show. I'm about to show you first time ever, you probably seen this, is exactly how the spin mop, RinseWise mop works for separating the clean water, dirty water. So come down here. So we already filled up the water here. I didn't put no solution in it, so you can see exactly how it works. So I filled up the water here to my desire as well as here. okay? So now I got my clean water here, and I got my clean water in here. Now, we're gonna put this in here now. Like I said, always put the middle side in. Make sure that the king steps in, and then we're able to lock it right in, all right? You guys ready? We're gonna do today I usually do the soy sauce demonstration. We're gonna do the Worcestershire sauce demonstration, okay? So here we go. We got the Worcestershire sauce on the floor, all right? Show you how it works. Now, you're gonna grab your mop handle. You're gonna unlock the mop handle. Now in the beginning, when it's dry, you're gonna see that it's not going in like this. So basically put it in and kind of like give it a twirl, kind of bring it up, put it back in, give it a twirl, bring it up, bring it back in. See, now the whole mop head is inside and it's fully drenched. Now, when it comes from there, the mop head is fully drenched. If you got wood floors, you don't want to wet your floors as much. So you're gonna bring it in here and you're gonna give it a little rinse to your desire, depending what you're cleaning up. Now that you have it, you're gonna lock your mop. Now I'm gonna show you this. You ready? You guys ready? Okay. See, many people, they wanna clean up their mess like this. It's not how it goes. What you wanna do is give it a swivel. You wanna step on your mop hand and you can bring it down so that you can clean up your mess. Very easy. You see how easy that cleaned up? Now, we're about to wring it out. This is the tricky part. Right here, we have the on button, okay? I'm gonna pick up this part here just to show you for demonstration. Down here is your dirty water chamber. Now, when I bring it in here and I lock it down, I unlock my mop right here to give it a spinning mechanism. Now you're gonna see the dirty water come down to this chamber while it's gonna pump fresh water back in here that should have been going in there. You ready? Now it's time, magic time. As you see, look at the dirty water in the bottom while it's pumping fresh water. The fresh water will pump up right back in here so that you can always have clean water right back in your bucket. Guys, let me know if this is not something that blow your minds. Take your mop bucket out, now your floor is a little wet. You're gonna bring it down, you're gonna give it that nice little twirl to finish it off. Then you're gonna finish, give it a spin and you're done. And that's that. Now guys, when you get your mop, at first glance and first look, it might look a little complicated. But once you get the hang of it, it's gonna work and you guys are gonna become one. Now there's two valves here, right? This valve here is what pumps the fresh water from this chamber under here. Now, if this water is contaminated the way it looks right now, right? You don't want the fresh water in there because you want to wait for that water to be done. So you're gonna turn it and you're gonna put it at the off button. Now this button here is an endless button. So there's no locking mechanism for it. You can just look at it. There's on for the water to pump back in, and here is off. So it can stop the water to pump in. Now this valve here, depending how you want to set it, does have a locking mechanism. So as you see here, come a little closer. There's a bottom opening there. That when you open up this valve here, see the water drains out into your bottom compartment with the rest of the dirty water. Guys, this is simple and a great product to use. You lock your motor in, make sure you put this side in first. And here we go. So again, this piston here, when you got it on the off button, it keeps all the water reservoir in here. When you open it up, the water goes down. So now, when I'm ready, now that this is off, there's no water coming in, I turn the valve on, I put this one off. Now, when I put my mop head back in and I want fresh water, the fresh water pumps right back. So I'm ready to use my mop all over again. No need to get more water. This is your Tsmine RinseWise mop taking over the market, guys. This is it. You guys asked for it, and it's finally here. So get yours today. You already know what it is. Tsmine RinseWise mop. All right, guys, so now we finished mopping. Clean water tank is completely gone, and your dirty water tank, it's completely dirty. Now you're ready to drain your mop, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. But you're gonna grab your mop, you're gonna put it wherever it is that you're gonna discharge the water, and all you gotta do is open your knob, and here goes all your dirty water right out. Simple to use, guys. stand there and all the dirty water will come out.